search the serial number up on it.
Oh, it's best we don't.
Maybe not doing it quick.
He's looking, he's got that crazy look in his eye.
Sounds good. He's seen the light.
It's pretty big though, eh?
So, we sort of want to go on the incline. Here. That would be where you want to take off. There's the very knuckle of that other one. From where it starts its incline to... We can test with the little lever. Yeah, it is. Brad really earning his wage out here. Oh, and Jordan. Can't see her, but she's over there. As per always, one is picked up. A little bit worried. So to see him back in there. If Brad can lift a small truck by himself. Ooh. Check out the bad boy though. Kids, if I wasn't wearing a helmet. Just lean back. Pardon? Alright, hold on, I need to fucking reposition myself real quick. Yeah, good, get after it. Oh, I'm in the adventure kit.
If Daniel hops off, we'll be able to do that. He's not coming.
As you can see here, we've found some tracks in the wild. So it's starting to break. Oh! Oh, you can't see me. Can't see anything. It's raining here. It's coming sideways. Stop. But we're not, we're just beach stairs. Ninja Series, hey.
Alright, kill him.
Hey, I'm just a film crew, bud. This is your adventure show.
No! Yeah. Try down the nose and fight, Conrad. I think we're on rock and on and rock.
I can throw some weight.
Nice move.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's better. There you go.
Right,
Two.
hang on, no.
Leave out there.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's got me.
Last year.
Put it down. Yeah.
Who's gonna carry the boat, son? And the logs, too. Oh, that's not all good.
Oh, yeah.
Center a little too hard, eh?
Yeah, you're better. Oh.
There you go.
Ooh.
So that crash there ended up dislocating my knee and breaking a few of my toes. So I'm out for a wee while, but we're coming back. Going to come back with a bit of heat. And Dan's on the mend too. He separated his shoulder on that, awaiting surgery. Doesn't know if he's going to get it in time before it heals, but we'll see how it goes. Watch some 2007 Crusty Demons. Goes good. Till then.